Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Ethereum. Ethereum has been in quite a dramatic sell-off from the December high. And yeah, if you just consider the strength of that decline, the drawdown, we're talking about 57%. I mean, a lot of other altcoins have sold off even more. Some even 80, some even 90%. I'm sure there are some that even sold off even more. But Ethereum is obviously still something special. But there is absolutely no evidence at this point that Ethereum is finding support. There was a reaction to our Fibonacci support level here at $1,790. That was quite a noticeable reaction, but overall still too small to be really relevant. And I mean, these Fibonacci levels on the chart, we calculate them by using our guidelines that we've developed over the years. We've kind of refined some of the original Elliott wave guidelines a little further. And you can see how relevant these levels are. The price reacted here in August, and it led to a substantial rally. The price reacted in February, and it led to a substantial rally. The price has reacted again, but the rally was a bit smaller, not enough to really confirm an upside reversal, which is why I told you in the last few videos that I'm not convinced yet that we're turning around. We would need to hold, I think it was the 1,800 level or something, as support to really keep a directly bullish scenario alive. But no, the price did not want to do that, and now we are attacking that 61.8 retracement level again. And if we go down further, then, I mean, there are support levels on the smaller time frame I'm tracking. But here on the daily chart, the next larger support can be found here in the area around $1,530. That would be another 14% sell-off. Yeah? So this is something to be aware of. There is just at this point absolutely no evidence that a low is in place. And it would take minimally a break above the last high around $2,100, at least from a daily chart point of view, to indicate an upside reversal is underway. But let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here, it is technically still possible that this larger degree wave 4 bottomed on the 10th of March. But I have removed the bullish microstructure. As I said in the last few videos, I don't believe it unless we see an impulsive upside reversal that would take the price above initial resistance, and that so far hasn't happened. So the local trend remains downward, and it seems likely that the market will test at least here this micro support zone between $1,573 and $1,725. So I would believe this will be tested. Then we can watch this area for potential reactions, and at this moment it would require a break above $1,900 to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. This move down could be the last one, however. I mean, really, at this point, every low could be the last one. But until we get really a break above resistance, some kind of a bottoming confirmation, people will potentially, burn their fingers if they get too involved here, because the trend is still down. So just please understand the local trend is still pointing towards that blue box, and $1,725 is possibly next. There could be some structural support around $1,758. But yeah, I'm watching over the coming sessions this micro resistance area and would expect the price to reach the blue zone next. Looking at the microstructures, seems like we're starting here an internal third wave. That's wave 3 of 5 of the larger fourth wave correction. But obviously, because we're getting potentially towards the end of this wave count, I'm very much watching for reactions, but it takes a setup on the smaller time frame to become bullish. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, make sure you stay in touch if you found this video helpful. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.